Today we're gonna patch out a couple holes in the walls. So first you're gonna need, I forgot what it's called.
Some drywall compound.
Some drywall compound. Get it from Lowe's or places like that. And a spatula. It's not an actual spatula. It's the one for walls. And you got a hole there and there that will really show you how to do it. So you get it on.
Okay. You just use your spoon here. Hold that out and put a tiny bit on your spoon. That's all you need. All right. Here, I'll help you. Go ahead and stand up there.
I don't want to stand because I feel like this is good.
All right, it's fine. There you go.
So this one?
Yep.
So just do it?
Yeah, go ahead and wipe it over there. That easy. Right, but push down a little bit harder. Go a couple different directions. There you go. That one's good. Oops. All right, let's do the other one. You can't do that. Last one, you just want to go like that. All right, do the other hole.
Just use this?
Yep, do the other hole.
This one?
Yep.
Let's get it on there.
Here, look, Annika. Watch, I'll show you. Nope, just go like that. There you go. Get it all out. There you go, just like that, yeah. Nope, you gotta do the whole blade over it. Yep. Do the one down below too.
This one?
Yep. Just take it, yeah, really flat and push. There, you got it. Yep, now go up from the bottom. Good job, honey. You missed a tiny little spot down there. And if it's smooth, then it's all done.
Yep,
and then we just wait until it's dry.
Yeah, and then we're gonna see you later. And there's some right there, and we're gonna take some sponges.
Yep, we already did this whole wall. And there's the chickens. All right, we'll come back when it's time to paint it. We put a fan in here to dry it a little faster. Yeah, there's a big one back there. All right, we'll be back in a little while.